Alright everybody, we're here at the new pad. About to give you a grand tour of the new spot. Go ahead and knock, Jaden.
Hi guys, welcome to our new house.
Ooh, fancy. Alright guys, been here for a couple weeks now. Moved in. We haven't been recording for the longest time, right? We moved from San Diego out to Tucson. We moved with my dad. After we moved with my dad, we had Jaden's birthday and the move, and stuff just kept piling up.
Yep.
And we haven't been able to do any videos. And
Jaden's bald now.
And Jaden's bald now because I started doing haircuts on her face. But the point or the plan is to start doing videos more often. Before I was working too much where I really couldn't support the whole video thing and get involved in a lot of videos. But now I'm working a lot less. The place is much nicer, bigger, less stress. So I'm trying to get involved in these videos more. I'm gonna start doing more recordings to keep you guys up to date on what's going on with us.
What? You're nosy.
Yeah. Alright, so for this first video, we're just gonna do a little
house tour.
Because the last house we was in was small.
I think I have a few clips of our old house.
We're gonna do a little side-by-side comparisons. This place is dope. We got the 2-bedroom.
Two
Like the
bath.
last place, but 2 bath, just like you said.
Washer dryer.
Washer dryer.
Got a pool, 2 pools.
2 pools, dishwasher, patio, storage. It's just a lot bigger.
Got a gym.
Got a gym that we don't use.
And what's more important, our covered parking.
We got covered parking because it'd be hot out here. Actually, it's been like 80s the last couple of days.
This morning it was 50 outside.
Yeah, it's getting cool.
Well, I left early.
Arizona's really only hot for like 3 months out of the year, so right now it's getting real nice. But about to get this tour going. I'm gonna start off with the living room and move from room to room and show you guys what's up.
You enjoy.
Let's get it.
Alright, so we're gonna start in the living room. This is our front door.
Ooh,
We have
fancy.
People
Ooh, who's coming in?
Anyways, we still
Dirty
have the
TV.
same furniture we had before, right? Everything?
Yeah,
Yeah. So these are our
Amazon.
favorite couches. We pull out. We showed you those before. We got JOSELINE'S fireplace.
Well, look at that fire.
My dad's fine.
That's fancy living right there.
Got our tiny TV. We're planning to get a bigger TV sometime. Hopefully Christmas. Or before Christmas. Yeah, it's pretty much the living room. It's a lot bigger. I'll try to find clips of our old place. Like we weren't able to do all this right here.
Whew, spacious.
All this.
Who's got all this room? We do.
Everything used to be like
Cramped.
close together. So now we're gonna show you guys our patio.
Check this patio out.
We didn't have a patio before. Show them, dude.
There's a patio in our tent.
Got a tent?
We got a bunch of mosquitoes, so I built them this yesterday. And they could play in there. And then we have our bird houses, bird feeder, hummingbird feeder. We've had a few birds.
Dang, it would have been dope if we could get a hummingbird right now. If they don't care about the videos. Yeah.
These bushes suck though, because then they get mosquitoes all up in here. And then we have storage in here, which is open for some reason.
I was messing with it, that's why.
And then, no, you're doing the kitchen, right? So now Justin's gonna show you the kitchen over here.
Kitchen. This is gonna be the future bar stool area. We're gonna sit up and eat right here. So we're gonna have our meals. Right here is the dining room area. Right now, we got this nice table.
Our table shrunk. No, I'm just kidding.
This is perfect kid size. Jade, sit down right there. Show how big the table is. Jaden, sit down.
What about me too?
Yeah, you guys both sit down. Boom. That's all we need right there. Kids ain't eating on the old table anymore. Keep that as clean as possible. So that's cool. And then come over here. All this kitchen space. Look at all this counters. We didn't have this before. We didn't have none of this. This wasn't here before. It was tiny, but we got it. It's moving up. This stove, which is old, but whatever, it works. Got the dishwasher right here. Counter space, cabinet space, just counters and cabinets and cabinets and counters. So that's cool. Fridge, of course.
What is the pantry?
The pantry is cool because it goes back there. Like it's just, I just be back here sometimes. I don't even know what you're doing. Or you just be getting back there. I don't know why it's so long. It's kind of annoying like that, but you can get an order later. No. But this stuff is cool. Ceiling fans, lights and whatnot. Makes it nice. Oh, but this kills it right here. Watch this, watch this. Watch this, watch this. Now, washer dryer. Just do laundry whenever we want, how often we want, doesn't matter. Also,
And we've never had that, huh?
no, we have not. This is our first washer and dryer. Also, we got the central AC because it be getting hot sometimes. Right now, we got it set to 75. I don't even think it's 75. It's probably cooler than that right now, but it's nice. Then we got right over here, rocking with the kids' bathroom. The kids' bathroom is kind of kiddie. Ain't nothing too much special going on back here. They mainly shower and do stuff in our room because it's easier than coming all the way over here because it's such a big place.
Daddy, they were showering here last time, just now we knew it.
Yeah. All right, Jade, show them your room. Show them everything.
First, you're gonna do a kitchen.
Yeah, what's in your kitchen?
I'll show them. Okay. These are for my cupcakes. Right here, I got. This is not my toy. This is my brother's toy. That was on his birthday. I don't think.
What about your cash register?
Huh?
What about your cash register?
I don't have one.
What's that right there?
Yeah. Okay. You press this button and it opens.
Ooh.
There's a pencil here.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna keep it in there. Just roll real tiny. Just press it.
What's that?
Bam.
Bam, all your money.
Bam.
Ooh, somebody's a big baller. Show them your closet. How big is your closet?
Please show them how. Bam.
Ooh, bam. What's in your closet? Look at all those clothes. That's a big closet. Can you walk in your closet? Wow. Look at all that closet space. We didn't have closet space like that before, did we? No. Show me your bed. Yeah, Jaden. Jaden broke the dresser.
Yeah. That's why.
Or dresser. Yeah, dresser.
Dresser. Goes down to the door. His clothes are going in here.
Yeah, we had to put his clothes up there because he kept pulling them out.
No. Watch this way. Bam.
Bam. You got a bookshelf?
Can you show them?
Are those your books?
Bam. Jane pulled it up.
Yeah. What about your bed?
Okay. Okay. Bam.
Bam. And you got the ceiling fan? And you got this big ceiling that goes way up there.
Yeah.
Out of
Now what's
focus.
this? Bam. To stand on. This.
Wow.
And look. Bam. Put it back in.
Wow, good job. You clean up after yourself?
Yep.
Good job. And what about you, Jaden? What are you going to show?
Nothing. My bag. Your bed.
Your bed?
Show them. Say like, bam. They don't say bam. They don't say bam. Say bam. Say bam. Say something then. My back door.
Well, you work on that, Jaden.
He doesn't work on it. Okay.
Well, that's your room. Say bye, everybody. That's my room.
Well, bye. I didn't show them everything.
What's everything else?
Behind you. I didn't show them right there.
Well, what's right there?
Look, grab this monkey. Bam. Play with it. We got my Echo's there. That's something when Jane gets up. You put up there.
Echo, camera, piggy banks.
And you show her something on here. Bam. Open it up. This is the mine that they thought gave me. She had this before her house.
Cool. Okay, is that everything?
Nope, I have some of our Halloween stuff.
Your what?
Our Halloween stuff. Okay.
We'll show them Halloween stuff for another video.
When is Halloween?
Yeah.
So that side was kids' room, laundry, their bathroom. And then over on this side, let me show you, look at my beautiful Polaroid wall. This beautiful frame. We still have a bunch of pictures, so you probably have to buy Big screen. This is the master. That's where the magic happens.
Master. Magic, you into sorcery?
Look at it.
Same dresser. We're probably gonna have to repaint it because it has some stains.
That's okay though.
And redo our little marble contact paper. So we have my old Polaroid, my new Polaroid, the old camera, and you're recording with my newer camera. Got some rocks. Got my new printer.
Ooh, look at that printer. But these rocks though? What are you doing with those rocks?
Got pictures. We got some money right there.
Ooh, baller. What are we about to buy? Something a jar full of change can buy?
So lighting is a little weak right now because it's not the day anymore. So there's our window. And our view is our front door.
View is black.
Well, it's dark right now. It's like almost 7 p.m. But yeah, that's our front door on this side, and then that's where we walk from over there. Decent sized window. We don't really open it. And then over here.
Ooh, what's all up in this room? All this empty space. What's going on with all this space we got?
Yeah, this space is a little weird.
Like a big beanbag chair?
With the doors open, it's cool. I'm thinking maybe an ottoman, like a long ottoman.
Ooh, probably not, but maybe.
I'm probably gonna buy it without you knowing. In here.
What's in there? Oh, dun dun dun. We got a closet full of stuff.
It's a walk-in closet.
No way, you can walk in this closet?
You can spin in here.
Shoes for days.
The kids like, don't look at our dirty laundry, but the kids like to hide in here all the time, so our clothes is always falling over. But this is just inside. That's my side.
That's cool. I got way less side
Wasn't
than
my
you.
idea, was your idea. But yeah, this used to be over here because I was using this like not a desk, but kind of. Like it has all my markers and stuff, and a bunch of craft stuff, pictures, we got papers. This is all my media stuff, so like computer stuff, camera stuff, tripods, and all that. So we like to keep this door open. Right.
Maybe.
So then over here is our bed. This blanket is super soft. Touch it, touch it, touch it.
Good chinchilla.
And we have our one side, what do you call these?
Nightstand?
Nightstand. And a really cool alarm. It's cool because it dims too.
Plugins and ports.
I have a review on my Amazon on it. It's really cool. And this is my body mirror, full length body mirror.
Ooh, there's 2 of you.
It's really dirty right now, but you know, we got little humans in here. And then this is our bathroom. Come here, come here.
Is this where we be pooping?
This is where we do the poops.
Yeah, nasty.
Actually, I think there's some of Jaden's pee in there.
Yeah,
Jaden's potty trained. Well, kinda, right?
He don't wipe too well.
Poop potty trained, pee getting there. But yeah, our sink is a lot smaller than the kids. But that's okay, because I really think
We're not as messy as the kids.
yeah. So yeah, for sure. Our weight scale. That's from Amazon too.
How much people be weighing? Ooh,
You do not weigh that much.
140.8.
You don't weigh that.
Coming up in the world. It's all this muscle I'm gaining.
So that was it for this video. This is our house tour. If I can get very
So that was it. Check us out next time. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the good YouTube whatnot stuff. And we'll see you for the next video.
Bye.